parallel to each other. Let's do windmill pose. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands on the hips. Inhale, look up. Okay, go down, so soft knees. Drop the head, drop the arms. So if your right hand is on the floor, then put that under your face. So that means if you were to draw a line between the 2 feet, that's about a foot in front of the line. Okay, the hand may be even off the mat like mine. Then lift your left arm up. Now you look at that left hand in the air. Think about making your spine long, long spine. Keep looking at your hand in the air. Strong legs, strong feet. Okay, slowly uncross. Okay, hands on the hips. And come. Okay, release. We do the other side. So that we do the other side. I just go this way so that you can just clearly see the position of the hands. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands on the hips. Inhale, head and chest up. Knees bent, go down. Drop the head. Drop the arms. Put your left hand on the floor under your face. So if you were to draw a line between the 2 feet, it's quite ahead of that line, about a foot. Okay. Now lift your right arm. So strong feet, strong legs. Okay, if legs are bent, that's okay. Just work your feet, work your legs. Make your spine long. Okay, slowly untwist. So look down. Hands on the hips, knees bent. Come up. Okay, bring the feet together. Step or jump. Okay, mountain pose. Pull up